Hey everyone, this is Leo with QPrint Co. And in today's video, we're going to be printing an entire Halloween face mask collection using the face mask kit on the Epson F2100. Let's get started. Alright, so for this collection, we're going to be using 100% cotton face masks. And the reason is because 100% cotton just absorbs the ink a lot better. So the designs are going to be a lot more vibrant and a lot brighter. So the print surface area that we have for this design is a 3x6. So it's 6 inches wide, 3 inches tall. And the real goal with these designs is we want the person wearing the face mask to look like the character from the design. So if they're wearing a Saw face mask, they should look a little bit like the little character because it's gonna have the two little swirlies. You'll see what we mean in a little bit. The other thing that we want to focus on for these designs is to have them primarily here in the center. There's gonna be a few of them where we have them off to the sides, but the main place that we want to put our designs are here in the center. So with the 3x6 print surface area, we'll load it up with the hoop and we're ready to go.
Your lifelong instincts will tell you to do one thing, but I implore you to do the opposite. Let the games begin.